karga namin sa airport. So, here muna kami sa para mezzanine with food. So, we got the salmon croissant and the salad. Tapos, we ordered drinks pero wala pa. Also, look at my nails. They're so pretty. Look at my nails. So nice. Thanks, AJ.
Parang nag-ibangan yung talaga ako pag-umabay. Ako din naman. Sobrang open.
Hey guys, room tour. So this is me and Ate's room. Anyway, see our tour. Aray! Ayan, maganda. Walang bidi. Taran! Hi, so we are at Zhuang Shilong soon. We just saw it on TikTok. And parang siyang crab roe noodles. Very interesting. Tapos we got a couple of them. Yan, yay! Lumpiang Shanghai. Ay, laman.
Hindi sulit. 28. Dadam. Iba siya.
Haggard. Ang haggard ka na. Yung CR at Molly Tea. Kaya na pa namin siya hinahanap. Pero na lang namin siya nahanap. But like, sana masarap. Face test ko no. Pinaghamak ng tripod. Baka ng barbecue mo ah. Ano bang mutton ma?
Lam. Di ba lam? Nilagyan ako kahit.
Hey guys, it's actual day 1. We're planning on going somewhere indoors lang today kasi parang sa forecast it's gonna rain and foggy, gloomy ganyan. So we are at 3 warehouse number 3, hindi ko alam. So yun, super cool and futuristic yung vibe niya. Parang nasa ibang planeta. Tapos, so ito yung food namin. Charan. Parang steamed buns. Black truffle eel something. Potato, I don't know. Garlic ribs. Garlic sauce noodles. I don't know. And then foie gras sushi. Kasi yung volcano here kanina na umaapoy-apoy. A lot of their desserts have the cotton candy.
So it's shrimp?
No, it's not.
Macaroni. It's a cold salad.
No.
It is a cold salad.
Huh?
Yeah, like the one in Chinese restaurant, she gets cold salad. Ganun. So what are you expecting?
I don't know, something sweet. Ano dessert siya? Chocolate.
Oh, I see. There's shrimp.
Mali. Oh, mali. Who's a
Chocolate.
actor?
It's
Hey guys, so we got tea. I got the triple supreme matcha. Tapos nagulat ako, may sinker siya na like pudding, jelly, I don't know. But we got tea. Where's your drink? Milk tea every day in China. Yes. Guys, may robot. What the hell? Inakat niya yung paper in live. The artist. Okay guys, day 2 haul. Day 1 and day 2 kasi kahapon wala man na masyadong binili. I got a few items from White Rabbit. Got this giant one and then a couple small ones. They're packets na. The first thing we got today is saan na ba? This charm. I got the Mahjong charm as a remembrance for China. Hindi ko na open kasi suot ko na. Tapos, I got me parang on the spot na paper portrait. As in, nagka-cut siya ng felt na paper. Hindi ko siya kamukha kasi ang payat niya. Pero yung kay ate, kamukhang kamukha. As in, kuhang-kuha lahat. Pero ako parang mata siguro. Pero ang payat niya kasi. Anyway, I got chopsticks for pasalubong. I also got this LaFerrari Tomica. And then, my favorite, besides the Pandora purchase, we got embroidered engraved chopsticks. Ayan. Charan! So, ayan. That's it. See you on day 3. Tomorrow is... Hey, girl! Ginawa ko kasi yun sa video niya. Sabi, nag-ano siya, nag-drum roll, pero hindi ko sinagot. So, yun lang. Hey guys, it's day 3 and we're going to... So, parang 1.5 hour yung biyahe going there. So, we left around 6:40 kasi the park opens at 8:30. So, hindi ko alam kung tama yung math na ng time namin. Pero yun. What's your OOTD?
May sinasabi ka ba?
Yeah, what's your OOTD?
Yung goth.
Ikaw? Alam ko na peg mo ma. Si Ola!
Ayaw may shoot.
Hey guys, so dumaan kami sa 7-Eleven sa Disney station and we got sausages before going in. And we got a couple of snacks also. Bro, sobrang haba ng walk papasok ng park. Like, ilang minutes na kami naglalakad. Di pa kami naka-stand sa line. Nag-walk pa rin talaga kami. So, parang bago ka makapasok ng park, maka 10,000 steps ka na agad. Pero, okay. Pero, Mom, okay ka pa? Yeah. Ang sakit na lang ng tuhod niya, guys. Oh my God. Okay guys, so we're in Disneyland now. We got in. Very, very efficient yung mga system nila. Tapos you don't need your ticket, you just need your passport. Kasi nasa system na nila. Tapos facial recognition, sobrang galing, sobrang amazing. Ah, we're in Disney! Again. Hey guys, so we are Paris Disney Air shopping. Not sure if cute na to, but like, Disney, parang, cute din kasi ng Woody. The Aurora fits my outfit better. Oh my God. May nahanap ako yung mga tango. Tango, thick din. Ayun, hindi ako makadecide.
Parang cute yan.
Parang cute to.
Eh, okay na yan. Pare-pare tayong shade.
Teka lang, baka kasi may Rapunzel, baka maiyak ako. So guys, nakabili na sila ng ears. Pero ako hindi pa ako set kung anong ears bibiling ko. Kasi may gusto akong specific. Di ko sure kung meron here. Pero I'm hoping. But like... Okay, happy lang. Okay guys, I have decided I got the denim ears. Masaya na siya. Kaya kasi medyo nagumuk na ako kasi wala akong mahanap na ears na gusto ko. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung Rapunzel tangled ears. Pero parang wala eh. Tinanong ko na din sa staff. Wala talaga. Pero ayan. Cute. Ah! Oh my gosh. We're in Zootopia area. Ang ganda. Ang galing. It's so colorful. Parang siyang ano. Naalala ko dito Storyland. Ganun. Hi, Mom! Oh my God. Ang saya. Hala! Nag-treadmill yung giraffe. Ah! Yeah. Wow! Wow! Ang galing! Ang galing! Woo! Okay, so this is for lunch. We got the beef, para kami ni ate, beef with fries, and then mama got the pork with the rice. Parang ang sarap na kay mama kasi mahilig ako sa sauce, so very enticing siya for me. Pero ayan, charan!
Ito mo yun.
Sabi mo sauce?
Yung buot.
Ang beef?
Parang siyang sa Escobar. Yan.
Matamis. Hey, we're in Toy Story Land. Medyo umaambon na siya. Pero hindi pa din siya yung umuulan talaga. So, halo-halo namin yung umbrellas. Halo-halo na wala. Ayan. Guys, ang cute to. Para kaming nasa Hot Wheels. Para akong langgam sa Hot Wheels. Guys, buti pa dito mura yung gas. Sana all. Oh my gosh. Para siyang na Pixar na exhibit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ang galing. It's full.
Get ng $50.
Remember me. Don't let it make you cry. Nag-ano ka na yung Pixar Adventure thingy. Para siyang exhibit. Tapos yung staff parang tuwang-tuwa sa amin. Kasi like sila Disgust, tsaka sila Ennui. Nire-reenact namin yung poses nila. Tapos binigyan niya kami ng sticker nung first. Tapos nung sa second, saan ba kami sa may up na area. Binigyan kami ng second sticker. At binigyan tayo ng stickers ng sa stickers mo. Thank you, ate girl. Tulog na siya, guys. Hindi na kinain. Guys, this is 20 seconds after I stopped my last video. Bigla siyang kumain. Hey guys, so we're at the parang Galaxy Food something. We got churros with salted caramel dip, I think. kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. Tingnan niyo, sobrang dark na ng sky. Parang kayo na ba siya sobrang heavy. Tapos iniisip namin if worth it pa ba na antayin yung fireworks. Kasi parang 3 or 4 hours pa before the fireworks. All the other attractions online, outdoors. So either madadampian ka or like maulanan ka talaga. So baka magkasakit kami. So iniisip namin if worth it pa bang magstay here for the parang 50-50 chance na mag-fireworks or mag-cancel. Pero kasi sayang. Pero ayaw namin magkasakit kasi baka mamaya the next day is mas sayang yung buong trip. So dilemma. Screening na talaga. We're leaving. Bye, Disney. You were great. I love you, Shanghai. Okay. Pero legit, nag-enjoy naman kami. Because nasulat naman. So happy. Hey guys, so this is our dinner. We got takeout. Fried rice, noodles, duck leg, crispy pork something. Tsaka mga stir-fried. Chupa-chuchu. Ayan. Tiyan! Hey guys, so it's day 4, day after Disney, and we are going to the Wukang building thingy. Tapos parang mga concept stores, cafes. Oh my god guys, we are at Poliita Bakery. Ang galing, ang magical. Mukha siyang Harry Potter. Ang galing! We are at Poliita Bakery. Sa tabi lang siya ng Wukang building. Got the matcha something, the chicken something, the anchovy something, and the cheesecake croissant thing. Yeah. Hey guys, so we got 13 de Marzo. It's yung famous na bear thingy. Nag-review sila din. Let's taste test. In-expect ko matabang siya, pero ang sarap. Can I try? What's this?
Rose lychee milk. Oh my god.
Russian jelly ace. Ang sarap.
So good.
So good. Guys, nag-iikot kasi kami sa Anpo. Tapos, may emergency.
Malamig ba? Sakto lang.
May emergency, so uwi na kami ngayon sa hotel. It's a CR emergency. Itong dalawa. Wala kaming mahanap na CR. Kahit sa mga cafe, walang restroom. Kasi may tinanungan kami na siya lang nakaintindi ng English. Straight left daw. Wala kami nakikita. So, sobrang stress nila. Uwi na lang daw muna kami. Tapos, babalik na lang kami. Nag-book na kami ng BB, which is the parang taxi here. So, ayun. Update lang. Day 3. Guys, isip-sipin ko yung
Sabay sila.
Wala kalahati lang. Okay guys, so we're about to eat dinner here sa Juan Jude. Para siya nahanap namin sa Reddit. Local Peking duck something. Palang specialty nila yung Peking duck. So I'm so excited to eat. Kasi yung mga lumalabas na Peking duck special, ang lalaki. So like, guys, ayan na yung duck namin. Ang laki, ang saya. I'm so excited. Ang sarap. I'm gonna try the duck liver. Yeah.
Like it?
Nagustuhan niya.
Good.
Big girl. Literal.
Ano pala? Sino pala kain?
Gusto ko yung... Kaya sa may layering. Issue.
Okay, it's day 5 and we're going to Haidilao. We want to try hot pot. And sabi online, okay daw yung, like interesting daw to try the hot pot where it came from. So, we're going to Haidilao sa may The Bund. Kasi hindi pa kami nag-iikot ng The Bund. Ang lapit namin to The Bund. Pero ayun. Eating time.
Kain yung suya, no? Ay, spicy. Super. Nakakuha yung sili.
Si Mama super yung taas ng spice tolerance.
Pagtingin ko pa lang sila ni Dave.
Sobrang sarap.
Sarap, no? Sobrang sarap.
Oh my gosh. Yes, performance si Kuya. Oh, sige. Oh, sige. Sige. Ay, nag-perform talaga si Kuya. Sige. Ay, ang galing. Eh, pwede na pang showtime si Kuya. Ay!
Parang sa Hong Kong.
So we got beef hot pot, chicken, and carrots.
Sarap. Nahilap, pero masarap.
Diba?
Naano ko kayo. So siguro pagtapos din
And chicken.
hindi ko siya mukha. Sarap? Sarap ng lahat. Iba-ibang meat din siya.
Okay lang, tinanong natin. Kauso talaga, like, typical Chinese restaurant serving talaga siya. Super malasa.
Hey guys, so it's our last full day here in Shanghai and it's raining. Malakas. Hinagay ko yung spill niya ate kanina. Sa imigak ko. Witness si father. So kakain na lang kami sa ulit, Apoliita Bakery. Tapos indoor na lang kasi nga umulan. Hey guys, so we are at Feidachu or something. Basta parang, ano siya, and that puro local siya here sa mall. And then, parang top stir-fry restaurant. Tapos only rice siya, girl. Kasi kami lang yung foreigner dito. Tapos ang lalaki ng servings. And it's very affordable din siya compared to other restaurants. Sana masarap. Okay guys, so this for dinner, parang sweet and sour something. Spicy pork, vermicelli noodles, and then their famous beef stir fry. Yun yung top thing nila sa menu. Yeah, that's for dinner. Hey guys, so sobrang ulan talaga today. Same. Bibili lang kami ng Auntie Jenny ulit. Milk tea. 2 milk teas a day. Keeps the calories inside. Hindi na po siya LSS. Hindi na po talaga siya ganyan. Pero ayun. After nito, balik ako na sa hotel. Kasi na-relate na din. And then tomorrow, try namin. Ay! Bro! Na parang pang mag-earth. Ano ba yan? So, try namin early para makapag-northbound kami sa may egg. Let's see na lang kung matutuloy kami. So, ayun. That's it for day 5? Day 5 ba? Day 6? Day 6. That's it for day 6. So, see you tomorrow, our last half day here. Guys, grabe. Nandun lahat ng flowers. It's so alive. Like, akala ko noon na fake siya. Kasi ang ganda niya, diba? Hey guys, so nasa ano kami, yung egg na Northbound. Tapos ano kasi siya, international cruise terminal talaga siya. Tapos ngayon, may naka-port na cruise. And supposedly, yung view dyan is parang the Bond, yung Oriental Pearl Tower, ganyan. Eh kaso, wala, minalas ng timing. Pero okay lang, cute naman yung itlog by itself. Para akong nasa music video ni Ariana Grande, gano'n. Pero yan, ganda naman. Hi guys, so this is for lunch. This is Shanghai fried pork chop. This is shrimp and beef with noodles and special soy sauce. It's the same yung kay Papa. And then they got the liver and pork something, intestines. Pati si Mama intestines. Pero magkaiba sila. Pero parang intestines. Pero yun, we are out at Fuhe Benbang noodles. Ayan. So we're waiting for our dumplings. Ayan. Hey guys, so we are at the train station. Nag-train kami. It's like 1.5 hour away. Tapos parang yung price difference kasi nga, ano rin, 300 pag train. Tapos parang 4,000 plus pag taxi. So, ayan. Kaya naman. Tagdadalawa lang naman kami. Sariling bitin. Right, Mom?